Howdy, partner. So you want to see if you can run a Pit Boss pellet grill off a portable generator? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to run a Pit Boss portable tabletop pellet grill off a generator, or at least see if it's going to work. If you were ever wanting to go and camp off-grid and boondock, or just want to go to a nice football game or something, and you want to bring your pellet grill, the question is, how do you run it? Because it runs off of power. So we have here a 1,000 watt small inverter generator, and we want to see if this small quiet generator can power this Pit Boss. We have another video on this particular 1,000 watt Sportsman inverter generator. You can check out our video library. If you want to check out all of our Pit Boss videos, go to the bottom right and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the subscribers. That keeps the channel going. Also, any likes or comments or questions you got, let me know. And be sure to hit that bell so you get all of our updates for our new videos. So, without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to hook up this grill to the generator and see if it can power it and how it runs. And we're going to go ahead and cook off some hot dogs and make sure that we don't have any power issues. Even though this is the smaller tabletop Pit Boss, I think generally the power draw is probably going to be pretty similar across all the models, because the computer interface and the fans and all stuff, it may differ, I'm not sure, but I don't see why it wouldn't be pretty similar. So for anyone that doesn't know exactly how it works, this is the pellet container here that holds the pellets. And if you want to come close, on this grill, if you were smoking, you'd have this closed like this, but it does allow the grates to come up to get direct fire. So what's going to happen is, there's really only three things pulling electricity from this grill. First, you have an auger in here, and the auger goes ahead and turns and pulls out the pellets. Once the pellets are in here, we can get a close-up of the auger, and we also have this heating element here. So the heating element is what catches those pellets on fire. So you got an auger that's turning, pushing out pellets one at a time. You got a heating element that's catching them on fire, and you have a fan blowing air. So as long as the generator can power the fan, the spinning auger, and the heating element, we should be good to go. And I don't see that pulling 1,000 watts, but we will go ahead and see. So the first thing we want to do is get our generator fired up. I'm going to unplug it for now, and I'm going to show you on this one. It's a very simple generator. Go ahead and open the gas, turn it on. We don't want it on eco mode, and then we're going to get it started. And I'm going to move that generator way over there so that it's not as loud when we're trying to talk. I don't want to drown out the volume. So now what we're going to do, we're going to plug in an extension cord. And now we're going to plug in the Pit Boss. So it's currently off. You turn it on by turning this little knob. And we're going to turn it all the way up to high. I hear the generator powering up a little bit. It just kind of peaked. And if you look, you're actually starting to drop out some pellets. So it is working. The fan's blowing. I can feel the air. The pellets are coming out and the heating element's going. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cover this back up. We're going to let it get the temperature. And as soon as it's fired up, we're going to go ahead and throw on some hot dogs, see how it's doing. So stay tuned. This portable tabletop pellet grill gets hot really, really fast. And you can see the fire's coming out. It's still at high temperature. It did smoke just a second ago when it was starting up, which tells you it was ready to go. And now we're going to grill these hot dogs and see how they come out. The generator's been doing just fine. We're still heating up. We're still a little cool in there. Well, probably because the top's open. But we're going on up to high. Stay tuned. So the Sportsman 1,000 watt generator is humming right away, no issues whatsoever. I actually turned this on the economy mode, and it'll even run on that. It's not pulling that much power between the fan, the hopper, and the heating element. So there's nothing over on the output or overload. Even with a lower watt generator, it's working just fine. We'll go back and check out the cook in just a second. All right, we've been cooking these hot dogs for about 20 minutes or so. Actually lost track of time and they kind of caught on fire, but you can see that it definitely has the heat to cook something good. I got these charred hot dogs that, they'll still taste okay. So does a small generator work for this? Absolutely. You can smoke all day. This has been a high setting for, like I said, about 20 minutes. No issues whatsoever. That's about the smallest inverter generator you can get. So good luck with your tailgating or with your camping. You can make some gourmet meals. Again, if you like this video or you appreciate the channel, go hit the subscribe button, likes and comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, if I can do this, you can too.